Good morning, Sam. You look really tired today.
I know. I woke up late again.
What happened? Did you stay up watching TV?
Not TV, my phone. I was scrolling through videos until midnight.
Ah, the just one more video trap.
Exactly. What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30, I like to have a calm morning.
A calm morning? What is that? Mine is like a race.
Laughs. Did you eat breakfast?
Just a banana while running to the bus stop. What about you?
I ate oatmeal and drank some tea. I try to eat before work.
You're so organized. Do you plan your mornings?
Yes, I love morning routines. Wash my face, light makeup, breakfast, then Subway.
That sounds nice. My routine is alarm, snooze, panic, bus.
Sounds stressful. So, how do you get to work again?
I take the subway. It's fast and cheap.
Lucky you. I take the bus. Always slow, always crowded.
Do you listen to music at least?
Yeah, music makes the bus less painful.
How long is your commute?
About 35 minutes when I'm lucky. Sometimes more than an hour.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah. What about you?
20 minutes, then I walk 5 minutes to the office.
Nice. Do you ever walk the whole way?
Sometimes, when the weather is nice, I walk for exercise.
I want exercise too, but my bed doesn't allow that.
How many alarms do you set?
3. One at 6:30, one at 6:40, one at 7. I ignore all of them.
Your alarms must be exhausted.
They should quit their job.
What do you usually do when you arrive at work?
I check my emails, drink more coffee, and try to look busy.
Try to look busy? You don't actually work?
I work, but slowly until the caffeine arrives in my body.
Fair enough. What about you? What's the first thing you do?
I check my messages, write a to-do list, then I have a morning meeting.
Oh, meetings. I have one at 10 a.m. today.
Good luck. I hope it's short.
Me too. Long meetings make me sleepy.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, coffee is my best friend.
I prefer tea. Coffee makes me nervous.
Really? Coffee makes me feel alive.
So, what time do you finish work?
Around 5 or 5:30? It depends. You?
Usually 5 p.m. sharp. Then I run out before someone adds more tasks.
Smart. Do you have plans after work today?
Yes, I'm visiting a friend. We'll have dinner together.
Nice. Where are you going?
A small Italian restaurant near her apartment.
Pasta night? I'm jealous.
Do you have plans tonight?
Yeah, I'm going to the gym.
After a long day of work? Impressive.
I'm trying to be healthy. Keyword, trying.
What do you do at the gym?
Mostly cardio, sometimes lifting weights, very light weights.
It still counts. How many days a week?
1.5.
1.5?
I go once and then another day I think about going. That's the half.
Good effort.
Thanks. Do you work out?
I do yoga at home. I follow videos online.
Yoga looks relaxing.
It is. You should try.
Maybe, but I'm not flexible.
That's why you do yoga. You get flexible.
I'll think about it.
What time do you go to bed?
Around midnight. I know, too late.
Yes, you should sleep earlier.
I know. Do you sleep early?
I try. Around 10:30 or 11 p.m.
Wow. You're an adult? Congratulations.
I just like to feel good in the morning.
I want that life one day.
You can start tonight. No more late videos.
We'll see. I can't make promises.
Okay, but just try. Small steps.
Maybe I'll sleep early so I can have a calm morning like you.
Yes. Wake up, breakfast, fresh air. You'll love it.
We will see. If I fail, I'll blame you.
Deal. But you can do it.
Thanks. So, same time tomorrow?
Of course. Morning coffee is our tradition now.
See you tomorrow, Emily.
See you tomorrow, Sam. Enjoy your gym.
Enjoy your pasta night.